Are you a busy professional like me and want to start a new vegan diet? Then this video is for you. And even if you're not looking to be vegan, you just want to make your diet healthier, but you don't have time to explore all the options, then keep watching this video. First of all, welcome to my channel. My name is Astha and today I am going to talk about tips for busy professional to start a vegan lifestyle. Have you ever tried doing something like starting a new diet with your busy lifestyle? Then you will know that it's so overwhelming because to start any diet, you have to do so much research so that you can do everything in a healthy way. I remember when I was starting my vegan lifestyle with my business, I was working full time and I was also studying. So I still remember I used to do a lot of research, read a lot about this, lot of articles, watch so many videos. I also had mentors who used to teach me. And then so many visits to grocery store without actually knowing that what I'm going to buy. Doing all these extra research actually felt so stressful, and after all my research what I learned is it's not that difficult. You just need some patience, love for animals along with some proper guidance. In this video I'm going to show you how can you start your diet most healthily so that you do not have to do so much research thinking about where to start. Number 1, make a meal plan. So making a meal plan in advance for at least 1 or 2 weeks will save you from stress and lot of visits from grocery store. So you just have to think about what will you cook for next 2 weeks. Make a list of all the ingredients which you require for those recipes and then make a list of things what you don't have. It will just save you from grocery visits and you have to go just once in 2 weeks. This will save you from lot of stress and lot of time that what you have to cook today. The second tip is cook in batches. If you do this, you will save so much cooking time. When I started cooking in batches, it felt like a blessing to me. What I do is I cook for next 3-4 days. And if you're like me and easily get bored by eating same dishes every day, then you can also do this, that you can prepare just the raw materials of boiled rice and beans and diced veggies. Then one day you have burrito, another day you have a healthy sandwich, and another day you have a bean soup with rice. Number 3 is learn simple go-to dishes. It comes so handy when you learn 5-6 go-to dishes that can be cooked in less than 20 minutes. It will save you from so much struggle to check recipe book or YouTube tutorial every time you enter the kitchen. The next thing is stock up with grab and go snacks. It's smart to stock up with lots of fruits of your choices, and also you can stock up with nuts and dry fruits or any other healthy vegan snack of your choice. There are plenty of options and this habit will rescue you in your busiest days when your boss has scheduled back-to-back meetings in every 10 minutes. The next step is schedule your visits to grocery store, because most of the people in United States spend up to 2 hours in every visit to grocery store. So schedule it according to your preferable time, maybe once in a week or preferably once in 2 weeks. I do it once in 2 weeks. So schedule the visits, make the grocery list and include frozen veggies and fruits in your groceries list. It will save you from spending too much time on visits, and also it will make you restricted to not buying the junk food you do not want. The next tip is use tools for your help. So instead of searching on Google for hours that which restaurant to go tonight, and if they have the vegan option, calling them and asking them, spending hours on that, you can use the tools which are very handy and which are available for you. Tools like Happy Cow, which will provide you a list of vegan restaurants in your area, and PETA also provides some tools, list of URLs from which you can find out that if that particular product is vegan, what are the vegan products available for you. Everything you will find there. And also PETA provides a bunch of tools to find out if the particular brand we are looking for is vegan or not. I will add the links of the tools in description. Check out the links. And now, last but not the least, ask for help, because there are so many free volunteers as well as paid mentors. They are willing to help you, and it's always good to ask for help if you are feeling overwhelmed or confused, because after all, your health is your biggest asset. When I started, I utilized PETA's free volunteering service for vegan coach, as well as I paid my mentor to guide me towards my journey so that I can do it in most healthiest and easiest way possible. So those are all the tips, and now that you know that how can you cope up with all the stress and overwhelm of starting an unknown lifestyle, you know that how can you do it without any stress and worrying about losing any extra minute or compromising your health. So go get the diet on, create your first meal plan, start cooking cool dishes, and share them with your friends and your family. If I can do this, you can do this. If you have your own tips to start new vegan lifestyle, let me know in the comment box. I would love to read your tips and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like. I would love to connect with you more and post more videos like this and know about you more, help you more, and thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.